Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Oga. In today's video, we'll explore effective treatments and simple home remedies that can help you get rid of that embarrassing dry, flaky haze and help you achieve smooth, soft feet in no time. To start this process, you'll be needing a big bowl. When you get the big bowl, add some hot water into it, then dilute it with some cold water. Let it be lukewarm such that it cannot hurt your foot. So test it with your hand before dipping your feet into it. Then add some hydrogen peroxide. Almost everyone have hydrogen peroxide at home. We'll be using a full bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Next is our Epsom salt. We'll be using 2 sachets of Epsom salt. If you don't have Epsom salt at home, you can use your regular edible salt. However, you can get both hydrogen peroxide and Epsom salt in any nearby pharmacy. And they are not even expensive. You can get them at a very cheap rate. The third ingredient we'll be needing for this process is our everyday lemon. 1 full lemon will be enough. So just cut 1 lemon into 2 and press out the juice into the water. Lemon is a very important exfoliant, so it will play a big role in softening every cracked, dry, flaky feet. Mix everything together with your hand, then dip both feet into it and allow it to sit in the water for a period of 10 to 15 minutes. So if you have been struggling with cracked feet, just know that you're not alone. This is a common issue that affects many people, especially during dry seasons. The cracked feet can also be caused by varieties of factors such as dry skin, environmental conditions, and foot wears. It's 15 minutes already, so let's check if we are good to go. I'm going to check by using my hand to remove the dead skin and see how easily it can come off. Wow, you can see how it came out easily. That shows that we are good to go. I have my kit here, the feet grater. Here is the feet grater, and this one is for smoothing it. So I'm gonna remove the dead skin cells using the feet grater. You will want to do this gently as the grater can injure you if you are not careful. This is exactly what they do when you go to the salon. See the dead skin? The quantity can be much if you don't do this often. I have very little quantity there because I do this every 2 weeks. Now we are done removing the dead skin cells, so it's time to smoothen the feet. And as you're doing this, remember to dip your feet back into the water intermediately, as it's easier to handle when the feet is wet. You can see that it's getting better and better. Now we are done. See how smooth it's looking, like that of a baby. Now that we are done handling the right foot, it's time to proceed to the left foot. So this is the left foot. You see how rough it's looking. It's properly soaked and all the dead cells are very visible now. So we'll go ahead and grate off the dead cells just like we did to the right foot. This time around, I'll be doing it right inside the water. You can either take your leg off the water and handle it, or do it right inside the water, whichever is comfortable for you. Then go ahead and smoothen it just like the other one. Next step, you want to go ahead and clean your nails, beginning from the cuticles. Use the cuticle remover to remove all the dead skin cells around the cuticles. Thereafter, go ahead and cut the nails if you're the type that don't like keeping long nails like me. I don't keep long nails, so I cut my nails often whenever I'm doing my pedicure. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. To my returning subscribers, I'd like to say a big thank you. Thank you for always stopping by. I don't take your love for granted. So now that we are done, the next thing to do is to go ahead and rinse your feet with clean cold water or warm water as you wish. At this point, your feet will thank you if they could talk. After rinsing, clean the feet properly with towel and then go ahead and moisturize it using Vaseline or any body oil of your choice. I love to use Vaseline. I love the moisturizing effect of Vaseline. So just apply some good generous amount to your feet. Just take a look at the effect there. Now that I'm done moisturizing the feet, next is to paint my nails with some nail hardener because I don't do colors. If you are the type that love to do colors, you can go ahead and paint your nails to any color of your choice. For me, I just do this to give it a shine. So now we're done. Just take a look at what the feet is like now. Let me know if you would like to do this. I bet you will love it, and it really will not cost you much. And when you're done doing this, please, I'll appreciate if you can come back with a report of how you feel about it. Thank you very much for watching to this end. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.